Good afternoon. Welcome back to the AM Tech Forum. I'm Debbie Holden. I'm the Managing Director of Industry Events for ASME. And on behalf of the entire ASME organization, our 100,000 members around the world, and all of our ASME Industry Events team, welcome. And thank you for joining us for the presentation of the ASME AM Innovation Awards. What a day we've had today. Tell you, it's been a whirlwind. And so many things to see, and it's so exciting, all the work that's happening in the additive manufacturing community and what's happening to accelerate applications, to increase adoption, and to advance the technology. More efficiency, improved quality, improved tools, and so much more to plan and design, and really design for the benefits of additive manufacturing. We've seen new product launches. You were the first here to see those amazing things. And so those machines, materials, and tools, and how you're going to use them, I'm so excited. I can't wait to see it. So what did you think of all the panels, the fireside chats with the additive manufacturing leaders? What a great opportunity to hear what's coming next and what our industry leaders are planning in terms of technology, applications, key topics, sustainability, leadership, future applications, and how additive manufacturing continues to be a disruptor as well as a complement to traditional manufacturing technologies. Are there any advances that you're taking with you? I'd love to hear about it. We also hope you had some great discussions with our sponsors, the other AM community members. There were some awesome chats in the discussion groups, and I'm super energized about how this day has gone. So I'm glad you were all here to join us. So let's get to why we're here. I know you're all watching and you're anxious to see who our winners are of the AM Innovation Awards. I hope you took time to share your feedback and vote for your favorites. We have the Customer Choice Award, and that's all about you and what you thought were the best innovations today. And your voice is an important part of selecting all these winners. So 6 awards will be made today in 4 primary categories: machines and processes, materials, software, and measurement and analysis. And then there are 2 additional awards, both a startup, recognizing the young, innovative companies and those that are on the cusp of greatness, and then customer choice, which is based solely on your votes as our audience. And each winner will be featured on the ASME AM News website. They'll be included in the next AM News newsletter, and a media announcement will be made, and they will receive a digital award and, of course, a physical award that will be, you got it, 3D printed. A special thanks to Carbon and John Bruner for the design and manufacture of these awesome looking awards. If only they came with a new pair of those Adidas 4D sneakers. Couldn't figure out how to make that happen. Maybe next year. These awardees were chosen by combining your votes with those from our impressive panel of judges. These judges represent nearly every application area of AM innovators, and they are truly our 3D printing rock stars. They come from aerospace, medical devices, energy, automotive, point of care in hospitals, heavy equipment, consumer and sporting goods, as well as media. And we ask the judges to rate based on key factors, which include impact on speed, cost, quality, and other benefits, range of potential use across applications and industries, level of innovations from an improvement to a real game changer, and how likely would someone be to purchase this technology. And then we also asked all of you to rate using a similar 1 to 5 scale, with 5 being the best. Your scores and those of the judges have been tabulated and combined to determine our winners. So with that, let's get to the first award. This is the part where the accounting firm comes out with the locked briefcase. So machines and processes, which include all of the new machines, including a product launch featured at this event, plus post-processing and digitalization processes. Nearly every AM major process was represented here, covering major material categories, from use for development to final production. Did you find a few that you wanted to add to your AM tools? I hope so. And with that, the winner is Nexa3D with the demo jam titled Transforming AM. Joining us to represent Nexa3D is Avi Reichenthal. Avi, please come to the stage and share a few words with the audience.
Thank you, Debbie. It's really great to be here. We're humbled and grateful. As you know, when we started 5 years ago, this is exactly where we wanted to be. We wanted to add orders of magnitude of speed, ease of use, and reduce total cost of ownership. And it's a really great honor from such a panel of distinguished judges, and most importantly, you, the users, to validate what we've been working so hard to do. This is a team sport, takes a great deal of perseverance. So it's all about the collective Nexa team that is continuing to break industry barriers. And it's about making a difference to our customers, our colleagues, and now, increasingly importantly, the environment. So I'm grateful to you, Debbie. I'm grateful to the whole ASME team that put this incredible tech forum together. And most of all, I'm grateful to all the people in my life that allows me to continue to be passionate about 3D printing. It's my 18th year, and I can honestly say there's never been a better time to be in additive, except maybe next year.
That's great, Avi. Thank you. I agree. Never a better time to be additive than next year. So it's just going to keep going. And we just appreciate your innovative spirit as you continue to just be a groundbreaker in this industry. So thank you very much for joining us today, and congrats to Nexa3D.
Thank you.
Our next category is materials. New functional materials are always exciting to see. And today we saw long-lasting polymers, elastomers, nickel-based superalloys, parameters for printing titanium that can be printed in 120 micron layers, and parameters that allow Ti6242 to be manufactured with higher tensile strength than conventional processes. Pretty amazing. So which of these will you try first? Well, the winner is 3D Systems with the demo jam titled Advancing the Revolution in Photopolymer 3D Printing Performance. Joining us to represent 3D Systems is Marty Johnson. Marty, please come and share a few words with the audience. Congratulations.
Thank you very much. And thank you very much for the award, for the panel. It is a very distinguished panel, and the users and the people that are involved in this organization. It was just really an honor to see people recognize these materials, because we have a great team at 3D Systems and a real passion to look at how do we move additive manufacturing forward through materials? How do we move additive manufacturing forward for production type materials that can be used for contract manufacturing, that can be used for long time use parts, that really give you the high value that additive manufacturing has grown through the years. And so really excited about seeing the team recognized, because there's been a lot of work put into this, a lot of work been put into these materials. But one of the things I'd like to think is that customers that have a high demand for in-use parts, that raise the bar for the additive manufacturing companies such as 3D Systems, so that we can really start to push innovation to try to meet these demands and meet these demands long term. So we're really excited about that. And we want to be customer driven. We want to be solution driven for the different applications that need these materials. So thank you to the customers that reach out to us. Thank you to the companies that push this demand. And thank you very much, ASME, for this award. We're really glad and really honored to have it. Thank you.
Thanks, Marty. And congratulations again. Just so true that you represent just a fantastic organization there at 3D Systems, working really hard to continue to innovate for the customer. So congratulations.
Thank you.
Now for the fast-growing software category. The last few years have seen tremendous growth in software tools specific to additive manufacturing. And today we saw tools to help you prepare your build with simulation and compensation, maximize the efficiency of your existing machines, optimize build parameters through machine learning, reduce time, cost, and carbon footprint, predict cracks and damage with microstructure modeling, designing to meet tolerances, more efficient mass customization, and tools to streamline your AM workflow. And it's exciting to see all these digital tools created to support the use of AM, and it's just going to continue to grow. With that, the winner is IntelliGens with the demo jam titled Deep Learning for Additive Manufacturing. Joining us to represent is Stephen Ward. Stephen, welcome to the stage. Congratulations, and please share a few words with the audience.
Hi, Debbie. Well, thank you very much. And it's really exciting to be here. Hello to everybody from Cambridge here in the UK. Thank you on behalf of the IntelliGens team for this recognition. And I'd also like to recognize the efforts of that team that are behind this. For those who don't know us, we're a software startup out of Cambridge University, out of the physics department here in Cambridge. We've got some novel machine learning technology that works really well at learning from real world experimental data. And we've been applying that to help people optimize AM processes and accelerate AM projects. We've had some recent success, and it's great to have the opportunity to be here this week and today to talk to the wider community about that. So if we haven't talked to you yet, do get in touch with us. We'd love to talk to you. So we really appreciate the award. Thank you very much to everyone involved in it. Thank you to ASME for facilitating this. And I guess Avi said the most exciting year is always the next year, right? So so we're looking forward to connecting with more of you in the coming months. Thanks very much.
Excellent. Thanks, Stephen. And thanks for bringing your innovation here to share with us today. Very excited about where AI and machine learning are actually going to take additive manufacturing. And Stephen said it well. If you missed this somehow, if you were living under a box and you did not see this at the event today, you can still see it on demand, and you can reach out to Intelligence as well through the platform. So thank you, Stephen. Congratulations.
Great. Thank you.
Next up is the critical area of measurement and analysis. So repeat after me. You've all heard it said, if you can't measure it, you cannot make it. And certainly you will not achieve your maximum production levels. So our demonstrations today show tools to pinpoint build inconsistencies and determine the root cause, visualize in-process build data, machine-to-machine qualification, and direct temperature measurement. And all of these are sure to enable more repeatability and producibility as we advance additive manufacturing technology. And with that, the winner is Sigma Labs, with the demo jam titled Quality Assurance for PrintRite3D, the features you've been asking for. And joining us to represent is Alex Benham. Alex, welcome to the stage. Congratulations on this, and share a few words with the audience if you would.
Hey, thank you, Debbie. And I mean, you said it best. If you can't measure it, you can't build it. And I mean, it's so true. Here at Sigma Labs, we get pumped up about this very easily. It's the only thing we do, quality assurance. We're not building parts. We're just making sure that the parts that are built correctly. And we live and breathe quality, and we're super excited about where our technology is going to take this, going into full-fledged production for highly regulated industries. And I just want to say a big thank you to everyone who attended, everyone who watched the demos, everyone that voted. All of you, big thank you. And it's been great to be a part of this AM Tech Forum. And I want to extend another big thank you to the team behind the scenes that actually made this thing happen. It wouldn't be possible without you. And lastly, I'm really grateful to have the opportunity to present here and hope that all the attendees were able to learn a whole bunch about Sigma Labs, about PrintRite3D, about in-process quality assurance. And, if you ever want to get in touch with us, we're always open to happy to discuss any of your quality assurance needs, and hopefully together, we can ride the wave, surf the wave, taking additive manufacturing into full-fledged production. Like I said earlier, highly regulated industries, you can't measure it, you can't build it. So thank you.
Thanks so much. And that is just a really important topic. Quality is paramount all the time. And the better we can get at quality, the more this technology will advance. So thank you so much. And congratulations to Sigma Labs.
Thank you.
Now let's turn to the newest innovators, our startup category. We had 6 startups demonstrating their technologies today, and all of the startups also competed in the previous 4 categories. And these startups include companies that produce machines with new processes, and even the integration of machine vision and AI into the hardware, as well as new software tools to improve AM capabilities. And the startup who received the highest overall score is Intelligence, with the demo jam titled Deep Learning for Additive Manufacturing. And joining us again to represent is Stephen Ward. Stephen, this is a twofer. This is pretty good.
Wow, well, great to be back. Yeah, thank you very much, Debbie. I mean, I said it all before. I don't have a lot to add to what I said, except to thank everybody again. We're here representing small companies, startup companies who are doing exciting things in this category, and a lot of you out there will know what that's like. It's a really exciting place to be. It's all about working with the customers and being agile and responding to what they need. So we've been really busy doing that and working very hard, and it's fantastic to be recognized for that. And do get in touch. We'd love to be working with more of you. And just repeat what the others have said in terms of thanking everybody involved in the event and everybody who supported us today. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Stephen. So if you definitely missed Intelligence, you better get out there and find out who they are, because this is an underlining moment for sure. Congratulations, and all that hard work in the startup world is paying off. So thank you for bringing your innovation today.
Thank you.
Congratulations. Our final award is the Customer Choice Award. All of the solution providers are eligible for this special honor. The winner was chosen by you, our AM community, and based solely on your votes today. Will it be a new machine, material, software, measurement and analysis? What do you think? Could it even be one of the startups? Well, the demonstration with the highest audience score is AM Flow, with the demo jam titled Regaining Control of Your Production with AM Post-Processing Automation. Joining us to represent is Carlos Zwicker. Carlos, congratulations.
Well, thank you very much there, Debbie. That's an amazing result. Very proud, considering all the great winners I've just seen before me. Double winner with Intelligence. Being in this lineup makes me also very proud. Thank you very much for everybody who has visited the Tech Forum today. A great, well-organized setup, and receiving your votes from the viewer, from the end user, from basically the market, which is basically validating us in the way that we're looking at how we can contribute to making additive manufacturing not just a promise, but in reality, a great success. This really supports, and we're hugely proud for this recognition. And I have to not just thank everybody out there, but also everybody, although it's empty because it's pretty late out here in the Netherlands, but everybody in internally in the team who've made this possible, and to bring this technology out in the market at a time maybe a bit on the early side. It's picking up, volumes are increasing, but we believe that automation, post-processing automation or workflow automation, is no longer something as a nice to have. It's a must-have to make additive manufacturing, as I said in my presentation, be competitive, be out there, and to basically be as disruptive as possible or competitive as possible in the existing market. Once again, very, very grateful for this prize. Very proud that we have achieved this as a relative startup, a couple of years old. And again, just echoing stuff that's been said before, what Stephen said, we would love to get to know you guys even better. So do please reach out, have a look again at the presentation. And if you've got any queries, feel free to connect with us, and we gladly talk you through whatever we can do and what we hope to be able to do in the near future. Once again, Debbie, the ASME team, everybody, thank you very much for this, making this possible.
Thank you, Carlos, and congratulations. There actually was a little bit of a tie here, and so your company won by the most votes. So you had the most votes for AM Flow. So congratulations, and we're just so glad to have you here. Let's bring all of our winners back on stage again, and we'll have a virtual round of applause from our audience.
There you go.
What a great lineup of stellar folks here. I'm so pleased to have you here today. So we look forward to seeing all of you at our next event and seeing your next innovation as well. And we thank you. ASME is very proud to be supporting the additive manufacturing community and bringing all of this to the industry today. And if you happen to miss anything, you know that these are on demand for 90 days. So come back, do a little more of a deep dive, send some questions to our companies, and see what you can find out and how that fits into your production. So we invite you to sign up for our AM newsletter, and also to join us August 3rd and 4th for our next event, the AM Industry Summit, now featuring automotive as well as aerospace. So what those two industries will be able to learn from each other and just really continue to advance production additive manufacturing. So thank you very much to all of our award winners today. And thank you to all of you for joining us. There's still time to network, so get back out there in the exhibit hall and in the chats, and let's make the most of our day. Thanks again. And on behalf of ASME, our 100,000 members around the world, our entire organization, and my tremendously awesome industry events team, thanks for joining us today. We hope to see you soon. Take care.
Thanks, everybody.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.